Hi, and welcome to this video about starting a YouTube channel in 2023 and earning money with 5-minute videos. Are you ready to join the millions of content creators and turn your passion into a profitable venture? Step 1. Create a YouTube account. The first step to starting your YouTube channel is to create a Google account, which will automatically give you access to YouTube. From there, you can set up your channel by choosing a name, profile picture, and header image that represents your brand. Step 2. Enable monetization. To start earning money from your videos, you need to enable monetization through Google AdSense. This is a simple process that requires you to link your YouTube channel to your AdSense account. From there, you can choose the types of ads you want to display on your videos and set up payment options. Step 3. Create engaging content. Now it's time to start creating and uploading your 5-minute videos. Ensure that your content is original, engaging, and in line with YouTube's community guidelines. To optimize your videos for search, use relevant keywords and descriptive titles, tags, and descriptions. Step 4. Grow your audience. The more views and engagement your videos receive, the more money you can earn. Focus on providing value to your audience and building a community of dedicated followers. You can also promote your videos on social media, collaborate with other creators, and participate in YouTube's creator program to grow your audience even further. Step 5. Earn money. As your channel grows, you will start earning money through advertisements. The amount you earn will depend on various factors such as the number of views, the type of ads, and the location of your audience. Keep in mind that consistency is key, so keep uploading regular, high-quality content to grow your channel and earn more money. In conclusion, starting a YouTube channel in 2023 is a great opportunity to share your passion and earn money at the same time. With persistence, creativity, and a focus on providing value to your audience, you can turn your 5-minute videos into a successful and profitable venture. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your YouTube journey.